Good morning, my dear students. We were seeing Joan of Arc. This is the play. So let's continue this play. So Robert says, she says, means John says, you, Jack and Dick have offered to go with her. What for? Do you take her crazy idea of going to the Dauphin seriously? Polanyi says slowly, there is something about her. It may be worth trying. It may be worth trying means it is worth try. It is worth try. Means it can be a risky. So Robert says, oh, come on, Polly, you must be out of your mind. Must be out of your mind means, it is beyond the imagination. So who says, Robert says, oh, Jack and Dick, have you offered to go with her? What for? Do you take her crazy idea of going to the Dauphin seriously? Means, are you ready to go with her? Polanyi says slowly, yes, there is something about her. It may be worth trying. So, means it is maybe worth trying. Means it can be a serious. It can be it can be just the risky. Robert says, oh, come on, Polly, you must be out of your mind. Polanyi says, unmoved, without moving from his place, and said, what is wrong with it? The Dauphin is in Chinon like a rat in a corner, except that he won't fight. The English will take Orleans. He will not be able to stop them. So Polanyi says, what is wrong with it? If they are ready to go with her, so what is wrong with it? Because the Dauphin is in Chinon, like a rat. Chinon means one of the cities in France, where royal family resided during the 100 Years' War. That is the Chinon. It is one of the city. And so except that he won't fight, the English will take Orleans and he will not be able to stop them. Robert says, he beat the English the year before last at Montargis. I was with him. So what does Robert says to the Polanyi? Oh, he beat the English the year before last, and at Montargis, and I was with him. I was the witness. Polanyi says, but his men are coward, and now he can't work miracles, and I tell you that nothing can save our side now but a miracle. So Polanyi says to the Robert, but his men are coward. Coward means, they are frightened. They are coward means, they are not durable. And now he can't work miracles. Means it can not be strange. Means rapid change. It is called miracle. And I tell you that nothing can save our side now but a miracle. Just I want a change, a rapid change, and I want the miracle. Different, that's extremely changed. Robert says miracles are all right, Polly. The only difficulty about them is that they don't happen nowadays. So Robert says to the Polanyi, miracles are all right. So we can expect the change. But Polly, the only difficulty about them is that they don't happen nowadays. It cannot be happen nowadays. But we want the change. We want that, the miracle. Polanyi says, I used to think so. I am not so sure now. There is something about her. I think the girl herself is a bit of miracle. Anyhow, this is our last chance. Let's see what she can do. So Polanyi says, you can trust to John. John means a lady, a poor village girl, and she is a dareable, and she is a brave girl. So I am not sure now. There is something about her. I think the girl herself is a bit of miracle. She has something power, and she can change what we want. And this is our last chance. Let's see what she can do. Polanyi is, the convince to the Robert. Let us see how she is durable and what can be done by her. Who says? The Polanyi says to the Robert. Robert says, waving. Waving means, what do you say? To move to and fro. To move to and fro means just to move from here to there. You really think that Robert says to the Polanyi, oh, you really think that? Polanyi says, oh, turning. Is there anything else left for us to think? Let's take a chance. And her words have put fire into me. Polanyi says, I was impressed with the words of John. And so let us see. Let us think. And nothing remained to think for us. And let's take a chance. Her words have put fire into me because she is a terrible and her words given that stimulation to us, boosting to us. Who says? The Polanyi says to Robert. Robert says, giving up. Whoa, you are as mad as she is. Robert didn't believe with Polanyi, and Robert didn't believe to the John. So Robert says, oh, are you mad? You are as mad as she is. You are as mad as she is. Who says? Robert says to Polanyi. Because Polanyi trusted to John, but Robert didn't trust it to John. So Polanyi says, obstinately means in a stubborn and firm manner, because she was strong on his decision. And we want a few mad people now, see where the same ones have landed us. Polanyi says we want a few mad people now, and see where the same ones have landed us. No doubt about it. What you give the man, we can take with them. We can take these people with us. Robert says, I feel like a fool. Still, if you feel sure. Oh, Robert didn't believe the Polanyi and John, because Polanyi believed John, because John, she was a poor village girl, but she was a terrible and she was a brave girl. But Robert didn't believe John, but the Polanyi, he was sure about John, because John can do something, what we want. So the Robert says, I feel like a fool. Still, if you feel sure, Polanyi says, I feel sure enough to take her on unless you stop me. So Robert says, do you think I ought to have another talk with her? So Robert says, oh, do you think I ought to have another talk with her? So, means I can talk with her next time, because I don't believe with you and John. So Polanyi says, going to the window, yes, John, come up. Polanyi says, because the Polanyi believed. Polanyi trusted to the John, and so he says, yes, John, come up, because I am with you. I can believe you. You have the power. You can change something we want. So the Polanyi says, gravely means seriously, oh, be seated, John. Polanyi said to the John, oh, be seated, John. Robert says, what is your name? John says, they always call me Chenin in a Latin. Here in France, I am John. The soldiers call me the maid. Maid means miss. So John says, Robert asked the question to the John, what is your name? John says, they always call me Chenin in a Latin. Means a nickname, like a nickname. My nickname is Jarin, but I am a John. The soldiers call me the maid. Oh, miss. All soldiers call me miss. Robert says, how old are you? Robert asking the question to John, how old are you? What is your age? John says, 17. I am 17. So they tell me, it might be 19. I don't remember. John says 17. So they tell me, it might be 19. I don't remember exactly. My age is 17. But all people don't believe me. They says to me, I am 19. But I don't remember what is my date. Robert says, I suppose you think raising a sack is as easy as changing a cow out of a meadow, and you think soldering is anybody's job. Roberts, don't believe to John, because she was a terrible. Even though she was a terrible, she was, confident. She was sure. But Robert says, I suppose you think raising a sack is easy. Raising a sack means surrounding from all sides and attack, removing the process surrounding a place. Suppose the enemy is surrounded you from So what will you do? Who says? Robert says to John. John says, I don't think it can be very difficult if God is on your side. So John believes God, and she says, if God is on your side, so I don't think it can be very difficulty. There will be no difficulty if God is in our side. When God is help us, so there will be no any impossible. There is nothing impossible. Robert says grimly, seriously, have you ever seen English soldiers fighting? Have you ever seen them plundering, burning, turning the countryside into a desert? Have you heard no tales of their prince, who is the devil himself, or of the English king's father? So Robert says to John, have you ever seen English soldiers? Because English soldiers means before this, did you see them? And have you ever seen them? The plundering means looting, burning, turning, the countryside into a desert. They turned the countryside, means the villages, into desert. They collapsed the houses of the poor people. They are very, they are very angry, and they are very, cruel. Who are the cruel? The English soldiers. And who asking the question? Robert asking the question to the John. And they are devil himself, or if the English king's father, even the English king's father. John says, you do not understand. Square. Square means a high rank person. Square means a sir. Oh sir. You do not understand, Square. Our soldiers are always beaten because they are fighting only to save their skins, and the shortest way to save our skin is to run away. But I will teach them all to fight for France, and then they will drive the soldiers before them like sheep. You and Polly will live to see the day when there will not be a single English soldier on the soil of France. John, she was a terrible, she was confident with her work. And what she is saying to the Robert, oh Robert, you see what will happen, what we can do. And you will see there will be nothing remain the soldier on the soil of France. We will remove all the soldiers of English from the France soil, from the France territory, from the France land. We say the John, poor village girl, she was confident, she was a soldier, and she was with the side of the Robert, and she is saying, oh Robert, you see, let us give a chance, let us take a chance, and we will remove the English soldier on the soil of France. Robert says to Polly, this may all be nonsense, Polly, but the troops might just be inspired by it, though nothing that we say seems to put any fire into them. Even the dolphin might believe it, and if she can put some fire into him, she can put into anybody. But even the John, a poor village girl, she was confident, she was a soldier, and she is saying, she was assuring the Robert, but Robert didn't believe to John. And he said, Robert said, this may all be a nonsense. What she is saying? Robert says, turning to John, now you listen to me and don't cut in before I have time to think. Your orders are that you are to go to Chinon under the escort of this gentleman and 3 of his friends. Robert warning to John, oh John, now just listen to me. You listen to me only and don't cut in before. I have time to think. Your orders are that you are to go to Chinon under the escorts of his gentleman. So what is it? This is my order. You have to go with these these 3 persons only. Who are your friends? John says, radiant, clasping her hands. Oh, thank you, Square. Thank you, sir. Really I am. Thank you. I am grateful to you. Following it says, how is he to get into the royal presence? Following asking the question to the Robert. Oh, Robert says, oh, Square, how is he to get into the royal presence? Robert says, I don't know. How did she get into my presence? I will send her to Chinon, and she can say, I sent her, then let me come. What may, I can do no more. So Chinon means this is the one of the cities in France, one of the cities in France. And so Robert says, I don't know anything. And how did she get into my presence? I will send her to Chinon and she can say, I sent her. Then let come what may. I can do no more. John says, and the dress, I may have a soldier's dress, square. John says to Robert, oh Robert, I am ready to go. I follow your order, no doubt about it. But where is my dress? I may have a soldier dress, square. Sir, please give me a soldier dress. Robert says, take what you please. I washed my hands off it. Now nothing I have. And so take what you please. What you want, take it. John says, wildly excited by her success, come Polly. She dashes out. John says she was angry and she says, she wildly excited by her success. Come Polly. Robert says, shaking, following his hand. Robert shake with the hands of Pollingy and he said, goodbye, old man. I am taking a big chance. Few other men would have done it. But as you say, there is something about her. Robert shaking the hands with Pollingy and said, goodbye. And goodbye because, Pollingy was older. He was an experienced person. He was an old man. And he says, I am taking a big chance and few other men will be with you. But as you say, there is something about her. Pollingy says, yes, there is something about her. Goodbye. And so Pollingy and John, just exit from there. And, so Pollingy says, okay, come on. And yes, there is something about her. Goodbye. And she says goodbye to Robert. And that's it for today. And let's continue in the next video.